I like to hold my tweezers with 3 fingers supporting it. My middle finger is at the base of the tweezer, thumb on the midpoint, and my pointing finger is just lightly supporting the top. The 3 touch points have equal distance between each other, which really helps with the balance. When pressing on the tweezer, most of the pressure is focused at the thumb and the middle finger. And because I still have my ring and pinky fingers free, I like using it as support. Sometimes I place it on my client's forehead, and sometimes I can even use it to maneuver lashes around.
When lashing, I like to hold onto the lower half of the tweezer, closer to its base. My pinky is the stabilizer, supporting my ring finger and never touches the tweezer. My ring finger is placed closest to the tip of the tweezer. My middle finger and thumb are parallel, both are gripping at the same point of the tweezer. My index finger is positioned right at the midpoint with the softest grip on the tweezer. All 3 fingers are spread evenly apart, which really helps maintain balance in my grip. I use my middle finger and thumb to apply pressure, while the ring and index finger are the supporters and directing my overall grip of the tweezer.